Hello, welcome back. My name is Attorney James Betzold, and I am an immigration attorney. So today I am talking to you about what's happening with USCIS and the DACA program. So as many of you know, they released this wonderful jewel saying that they're going to reject all new applications for DACA while they consider the future of the program. And while they may want to take time to consider the future of the program, the Supreme Court has already told them that they can do whatever they want, but they have to accept new applications at this time. What happened is they tried to do away with it. They didn't follow something called the Administrative Procedure Act. And because they didn't follow the statutory procedures to eliminate this program, it was illegally eliminated. Okay, so the court said, no, DACA still exists. You have to accept new applications. They're essentially spitting in the face of the Supreme Court saying, we're not going to. We're going to consider the future, blah, blah, blah. It's an intimidation game. They don't have a legal leg to stand on for doing this. What they're trying to do is dissuade anyone who is eligible for DACA from applying. What we're doing with our clients, and what we encourage you to do as well, is file those DACA applications. Don't be intimidated by the government. File the application, and if it's denied, call me, because we're going to start a federal lawsuit. We're going to bring however many defendants we can. Defendants? No, the government's the defendant. We're going to bring however many plaintiffs we can and sue the United States government for unlawfully denying initial DACA applications. This is something that can be strange to some people. They may think, well, how can an attorney, how can an immigrant who's applying for a benefit, how can I change the course of what the federal government is doing? Well, under the United States Constitution, we have 10 amendments. No, we have an initial 10 amendments, which are known as the Bill of Rights, and a number of other amendments to the Constitution, which guarantee us individual freedoms, such as representation by an attorney, such as due process under the law, meaning if there is a law that tells the government what they have to do, and then they don't do that, an aggrieved party, someone applying for DACA, can take the United States government to court, file a lawsuit, sue them, win, and the court will instruct the administrative agency, USCIS in this case, on what to do. And it's going to be great. When we have an initial DACA application that's refused, we're going to file a complaint, and it's going to say a number of things, but among them, this will probably be the opening line, or I'll come up with something more clever. The United States Supreme Court is the supreme law of the land. New line. They have already decided this issue a month ago, or 2 months ago, whatever it is now. Please find it in favor of our clients, because it's lawlessness that DHS is engaging in. It's an intimidation game. They're trying to get you not to file it because it was a program that Trump or Stephen Miller or whoever's in his agency, Chad Wolf, who's the temporary acting head of DHS. Ken Cuccinelli is the unlawfully appointed interim acting chief performing the duties of the senior official for USCIS. And whatever he says has no legal weight. That's already been determined by the courts. So Chad Wolf is also an acting director of DHS. He's not been approved before Congress, which the Constitution says he has to be. So, in summary, if you are eligible for DACA, or if you believe you're eligible for DACA, reach out to us. This is Betzold Law is the name of our firm. We also have the website, betzoldlaw.com or visafeliz.com if you're part of our Latino community. You can reach us at 616-396-9418. We would be happy to help you file that initial DACA request. Or if you've recently been denied your initial DACA request, we'd like to review that case with you, and perhaps we take that to federal court. I'm Attorney James Betzold. Have a great day.